Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mushraf Driving School. We got lovely Famida's here, and this is coming up soon. So we're doing a parallel parking today. We've done roundabout. She's good at the roundabout now, and we're doing a parallel parking. She's gonna do by herself. Really nice. She's really good at parallel parking.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go.
What are you gonna do before you move off? What are you gonna do? What's the first thing?
I'm gonna put it on dry first.
Good. Yes.
And then I'm gonna look around first.
Good. Well done.
And then I'm gonna indicate right.
Beautiful. Good. Before you move off, what are you gonna do? What's the first thing?
I'm gonna put it on dry first.
Good. Yes.
And then I'm gonna look around first.
Good. Well done.
And then I'm gonna indicate right.
Beautiful. Good. All right. Well done. So moving off nicely. 6-point check and move off. And next to the car now. So just explain where you're gonna position yourself.
I'm gonna be 1 meter away from the car.
Nice. Good. Next step now.
I'm gonna make sure my mirror is aligned with the middle of the car.
That's good. What next step now?
I'm gonna put it in reverse.
Nice. Next step.
I'm gonna indicate left.
Yes.
Do a 6-point check.
Yep. And which way you're gonna steer?
I'm gonna steer left.
Good. Show me how much.
1.
One round, yeah? Good. Go for it. Good. Beautiful. Okay. So when you stop, and explain at what point you're gonna stop. Okay.
When it gets to the back of the mirror of the other car.
Good. Nice. Good. So a slice of cheesecake, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Or pizza. You like pizza or cheesecake, whatever you prefer. Good. There you go. Good. So now, which way do you turn?
1 to the right.
Good. Well done.
And then I'll get 5 right.
Good. So now.
Another 1 to the right.
1 to the right. Good. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Beautiful. Now the car's gonna come nicely, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
So now when you're face to face with the car.
Yeah.
Yes.
And straight.
Good. Now straight. Now which way are you gonna steer now?
To 1 to the left.
Good. Show me. There you go. Do you need to adjust, or are you okay with that?
I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. I'm gonna do 1 to the left. Half the left.
Okay. Half the left. Good. There you go. Good.
I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do another 1 to the half to the right.
Half to the right. Yes. Good. Beautiful. And then what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna secure the car. Go straight. I'm gonna wheel straight.
Good.
I'm gonna put in park. Perfect.
How's that?
Good.
Well done.
Yeah.
Good. Relax your foot.
Yeah.
If anybody's got a test, anybody doing a parallel parking, what would be a piece of advice from you?
Try to stay very calm. Talk yourself through it.
Okay.
And always make sure the fact that you look around the whole car to be very aware.
Good. What is the benefit of talking yourself through a step by step? What's the benefit of that?
So then you actually understand what you're doing when you're doing the maneuvers and use parallel park safely.
Good. Well done. Good. Well done. If I was learning, I would definitely listen to you.
Perfect.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go.